are computers? We use computers every day. Computers help us to type documents, send emails, play games, and search on the internet. But what are computers? A computer is a machine that works with information. This information can be words, numbers, pictures, sounds, or movies. Now remember, computers can be found in different devices. Devices help us complete tasks or make it easier for us to do something. Some of these devices are laptops, desktops, tablets, and phones. Yes, even a phone has a computer in it.
Start and shut down. Starting a computer. Switch on the CPU. Switch on the monitor. You will see a screen like this. This entire screen is called the desktop. Now the computer is ready for you to work with. Shutting down a computer. Step 1. Click on Start button. Step 2. Click on Shut down button. This message box appears on the screen. Step 3. Switch off the monitor.
Hello everyone. Welcome to our Computer Lab. Today, we will be discussing the importance of proper sitting positions while using computers. Maintaining good posture while using computers is crucial for your health and comfort. Don't sit in unbalanced position. For using computer in right way, adjust the chair's height and sit up straight. Sit with your feet flat on the floor. Keep your monitor at eye level and arm's length. Take breaks to stretch and move around. Have fun and be creative.
Parts of the computer. Monitor. A computer monitor is an output device, which displays information in pictorial form. Keyboard. The keyboard is a device used to input information into a computer. A keyboard contains many buttons, called keys. CPU. The CPU, full form is Central Processing Unit. The CPU is the brain of the computer, where most calculations take place. Mouse. The mouse is a computer input device used to move a cursor around a screen. It just looked like a real mouse with a tail. So, it is called the mouse. Printer. A printer is a machine that can be connected to a computer to print informations on a paper. Scanner. A scanner is a device that can be connected to a computer to capture images from photographs, posters, magazine pages, and store it in the computer. Speaker. A speaker is an output device to produce sound. Without speaker, we can't hear any sounds from the computer.
Question time. What is this? It's a monitor. What is this? It's a CPU. What is this? It's a mouse. What is this? It's a keyboard. Excellent.